Oh, good morning. If it's morning where you're at, it's morning where I'm at. It's a little bit chilly. Sun is out. And it's absolutely beautiful. I mean, that thing is gold. It's your golden hour. Y'all know that song? It's warmed up to 28 degrees since this morning. It was 16 earlier. Well, that was a humdinger right there. My wife was like, let me see your nose. I was like, oh, what are you doing? She's like, you ain't walking around with that. And I'm like, you just made it worse. A couple of people was like, you should show more of how you act in person. You're the funniest person we've ever met. And you could be a YouTube personality. Buddy, I'm just trying to show people how to fix stuff. I'm trying to make them refrigeration technicians. Ooh, we got a Lincoln with the air ride going out. We're at whoop. It's up here. Bouncing everywhere. Oh, Meemaw. Meemaw, you need to get that fixed. You're going to have scoliosis. Heck, fired up, y'all. I got me a new Milwaukee cup. Look at that. Pack out. I don't even carry any pack out. But I was at a vendor the other day. I was like, I need a new tumbler. Mine's about wore out. You got any of them Milwaukee cups in black? He said, no, I don't have no black. And I was like, well, I see a bunch of guys that I work with got the red ones. I need a black one. He said, I can order you one, but tell you what, I like you. You're funny. I'll give you a red one. Don't twist my arm. Anyway, and hopefully I got a good video today. I got to go change out a compressor on a rooftop. I'm going to be working with another guy. I don't know that I can record. I'm going to try to convince him to let me pop a mic on him. Be like, you ain't got to be on the video, but let's do this. You know what I'm saying? And because he already knows about the YouTube and stuff, he cool with it. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. We had a big facility. Look at that sun. So I'm getting off here. About to get on site here and see what we can do. What are you doing there? I said I'm trying to work. Will you stop trying to make YouTube videos?
YouTube content.
I got you, buddy. You see that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Got a little frosty at the bottom. Liquid boiling out of that oil.
Oh,
you
these
can use
little
whatever.
ones?
You can use them insulated ones.
Nah, I'd rather not burn up a nice tool like that. These have seen the touch of a flame before.
Yeah, a few times, huh?
Beautiful.
Dude, these little torches.
That's pretty nice, yeah.
I am really surprised. Now, I don't think this little thing's going to do that big one.
Already getting pretty shiny.
Bruh.
That's insane.
What else do you need?
That's really something else.
Did you see how quick that was?
Yeah. I always thought those were kind of a joke because they were so small.
Bro.
That's insane. Yeah.
Why would you have that big old torch set?
That's pretty awesome, actually.
Shout out Ambro Controls.
Yeah, shuts up.
And that's the little guy.
Not sponsored.
Yeah.
Could be. Like this. There we go. You ready? Come on, kids. Ooh, on the roof.
Yeah, nice and easy. Not bad.
Now, you want me to bruise? You want to bruise?
All right, I'll burn it. But you just want to use this torch.
Yeah, I definitely just use the tools. Let me try her out. That feels wrong.
You're not kidding.
That feels so wrong.
Striker kind of sucks.
Is this the one I gave you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels like I'm holding nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, it feels like, you know how you usually got the tension of the hoses and stuff like that? Oh,
Yeah.
you got nothing on that. It's crazy. Need a pressing wrench?
No?
Wow.
That's another cool thing. That is insane.
Such a little tip for such a big flame. Penetration. Yeah, I've seen better solder joints.
Well, considering our pressures went up, I don't think we have any leaks.
No, I don't think we do either.
That's good. Let's blow the nitrogen and get this thing on a vacuum.
Yep.
Hands free. £12. Just like that. We're done. I'm gonna get off this roof, head to the house, see the family.